And the integrity can go back to Joseph, who was accused, who was accused of sleeping or wanting to sleep with Potiphar's wife. Whether it was a want or need or not, or whatever, a want or not, because of the way he handled himself after that, they realized that this couldn't have been true. This guy, that was a lie. Even when he was in jail, Potiphar brought him still to come and run his things. Can you see how wealth building have to have some sort of integrity and trust?